Hi, this is Chef Kunal from Foodybreaks Academy Goa. Today we are with Miss Bay from Jus'Trufs, an amazing couverture range of chocolate that we've got today to try out. And I just wanted to introduce her to you guys.
Thank you, Kunal. Delighted to be here at Foodybreaks. We are Jus'Trufs. We specialize in couverture, single origin, bean to bar, cooking chocolates for professionals and home bakers. Contact us and look at our range on Jus'Trufs.com. We ship pan-India.
So today we're going to make a amazing brownie, a really simple brownie that's going to have a little twist. That twist is going to be the Oreos on top. You're going to be using the Jus'Trufs 72% couverture, and that's going to be the game changer in this particular recipe.